Hi everyone, I'm Siyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to remove a group chat in Facebook Messenger. Removing a group chat helps you manage your conversations and keep your inbox tidy. So let's get started on how to remove a group chat in Messenger. You have two options to remove group chats, either leaving the group or deleting the group chat. To leave the group chat, first open the Messenger app on your device. Locate the group chat that you want to leave. Once you find it, tap on the group to open it. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen to enter the group settings. Scroll down and tap on the Leave Chat option. Then tap on Leave option again to confirm. Now to delete a group chat, find the group that you want to remove. Once you find it, tap and hold on the chat until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, tap on the Delete option. A confirmation message will appear to make sure you really want to delete this chat. Finally, tap on the Delete option again and delete the group chat. And this is how you can remove group chat in Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.